In this video, I'll be showing you two methods on how to add videos into your text. And here are some examples that I've already done. For method 1, all you need to do is bring down your clip onto the timeline, and then you're going to head into the edit page. In the edit page, bring down a text node and adjust it to your clip. And then change the text to your liking. After you're satisfied with your clip, you're going to move your main clip on top of the text clip. And then you're going to go to composite and change it to darken. And as you can see, the video is now in the text. So that's pretty much a simple way to do this. Now for method 2, we would have to go into Fusion. So here in Fusion, you're going to want to press on medium 1. In medium 1, you're going to want to also then press the text node. This gives you merge 1 and then your text. So what I'm going to do in my text is pretty much do the same thing. I'm going to put alone and then just make it really large. For me, 0.5 is not enough, so I'm going to do 0.6 and that should fit onto the screen. Now in the merge 1, you're going to want to go to operator and press N. I guess you can see my video just disappeared. So on the merge 1, make sure to press Ctrl T. Now we can see that our video is in the text. Now to have the black background as like in the first method, all you have to do is bring down a background node and connect it to merge 1. This creates merge 2, and as you can see, it just went completely blank. So all I gotta do is press merge 2 and then once again Ctrl T. And what's cool about this is that you can control the alpha, which is pretty much you can make the black transparent. So you can do cool like tricks with this in your videos. Now, we can also add a shadow to our text. So let's bring this down and move this to the side. First thing you're going to want to do is copy and paste text 1. And then you're going to want to connect text 1 onto merge 1. This creates a new merge. And as you can see, once again, my footage is gone. So on merge 3, just press Ctrl T once again. And then on the new text you just copied and pasted, go to shading, and then you're going to press 3 up here and enable it. This creates like a shadow effect. These controls right here allows you to control like the animation and stuff, so you can play around with that for your own projects. And that's pretty much it for the tutorial. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. I'll continue to make more simple tutorials like this. I'm gonna get into larger projects maybe within the next week. I'm not sure yet, but stay tuned if you're interested. And yeah, thank you for watching.